guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing eyebrows with the Dip Pomade by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, in the color Auburn. So I'm going to start a little bit back and not at the beginning of my eyebrow and blend in the beginning of it a little later on. So right now I'm just outlining my eyebrow and filling it in. This part is okay to apply pressure like you normally would because you want this end to be dark because it is going to be the darkest part of your eyebrow. And then as you work your way to the top, you want to make sure that you apply less pressure so that it makes blending it easier, and then it kind of gives you an ombre look instead of a complete square boxed eyebrow. So for this part, I am using a normal Q-tip from Walmart just to clean off the excess product that I have that I made a mess with around my eyebrows so that it will look completely sharp like I need it to. Now I'm going to use the Pro Concealer by LA Girl and a regular eyebrow brush. The sharper the better. So I'm just going to add the concealer underneath my eyebrow, starting in the middle by the arch and working my way down to the end and then going to the top. Right here I'm just dabbing the excess product that I have on the brush because it oozed out ridiculously. And now I'm just trying to line it up perfectly under my eyebrow and blend it out. Ladies, blend it out. Okay, so the point of concealer is to highlight your eyebrow. Make sure that it is not the focus of attention. I told y'all that this concealer be trippin'. Seriously, it oozes out every single time I use it, and I always end up with too much. And so for this eyebrow, I actually put too much concealer and I accidentally went over a little bit of it at the bottom, but it's a no problem, you know. So I just went back and got more of the Dip Pomade and just made sure I filled in the little hole that I made. You know, it's not a big deal, no biggie. So this is the finished product and I hope you guys like it, and I hope it helps you out with your wonderful eyebrow journey because everyone is different. But this is how I do mine and I love them. So like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on your post notifications. Love y'all.